Hey, Kyle here at Maple Systems. Today I'll be showing you our Class 1 Division 2 stainless steel industrial panel PC series that has wide range temperature and 1000 nit high brightness options. It's the AEx Series. Let's take a look. Okay, I'm going to unbox one of the AEx Series panel PCs, and the one I'll be unboxing today is an AEx 921 AP. It's the 21.5 inch. When you first open the box, you will see the warranty. Underneath that is the AEx 921 AP. It's wrapped in anti-static plastic. It's also encased in foam. Also in the box, there are some accessories. There are some M12 cables. So I'm going to remove the PC from the box, and then I'll go over the cable accessories. Okay, now I'm going to remove the PC from the foam and the anti-static plastic. Okay, so here are the accessories. These are the cables that come with the AEx. Over here you have your DC power cable. This is M12 to leads. Then there is a USB 2.0 cable, which is M12 to 2 USB 2.0 Type A cables. Then there is a VGA cable, which is M12 to VGA. And then there are two Ethernet cables, which is M12 to RJ45 Ethernet. There are also two Ethernet couplers right here. And then finally, there is a serial cable, which is M12 to DE9. Here's the AEx 921 AP. The AEx series has 5 different models and 3 different sizes: a 21.5 inch, 19 inch, and a 15 inch. They are Class 1 Division 2. 316 stainless steel chassis with M12 connectors. They have 1000 nit high brightness options, which are also sunlight readable. The AEx series comes with pre-configured system memory and storage. The AEx 800 series has 8 gigabytes of RAM with a 64 and 128 gigabytes SSD. And the AEx 900 series comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM with a 64, 256 gigabytes SSD. They are high resolution with capacitive touchscreens. They are IP66 rated on all sides for washdown environments. There are options for your CPU. You can get an Intel Skylake i5 dual core or an Intel Celeron N2930 quad core CPU. They all have an extended operating temperature of -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, or -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and they are all VESA mount. Taking a look at the back of the AEx, there are 4 screw holes. These are VESA 100 by 100 millimeter M4 screw holes. Then there's also some M12 connector I/O. So starting over on the left is a 9 to 36 volt DC power connector. This is 3-pin. And then there's an Ethernet LAN RJ45. Then there's a USB 2.0 and a serial COM, which is RS232, RS422, and RS485. Next to that is another Ethernet LAN RJ45, and then lastly there's VGA. Here is an example of the back of the unit. It will look like this when you receive it. So on the back there will be a part number sticker, barcode, and serial number. When you buy your PC, you will have this sticker in the non-embedded Windows license, meaning the Windows license is not activated. So in this image you can see where we place the activation sticker or product key on the back of the PC, and you just need to scratch off the code and complete the activation yourself. And I will share a link at the end of this video to another video showing you how to activate a Windows license. Now I'm going to power on the PC. So I have a power supply going into the AEx. So I'm going to turn on the power supply and the PC will boot up. There's the Windows logo. And there it is. Now you might be wondering, what are my next steps? Well, that's going to be picking out a SCADA or third-party programming software like Aviva Edge, and you can see more information about this on the Maple Systems website, or others like Factory Talk or Ignition, which our PCs also support. Well, that's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our industrial panel PC line, you can visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.